How to turn off autoplay on YouTube. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to do so on our videos on YouTube so that it does not keep on playing automatically. So let's just jump right into the solutions. So open up YouTube and we can start by playing up any of the video. So go ahead and look out for the videos. Go ahead and play one of the videos, for example this. And once you start playing the video, what you need to do is basically look out for the top option. Look at the top of the video screen and you should be finding the autoplay option here. So all you gotta do is tap on that option, and when you do, the autoplay will be turned off and that's it. No more automatic next videos. This is one of the method. Apart from that, what we can do is we can go to YouTube and go to our profile and look out for the option called settings in the top right. Once we have done so, we can look out for the option called Autopay. It should be under General. So look out for that option and find the option for Autoplay if available, or you can also scroll down and find the option for Playback. And once you tap on it, we'll be finding an option called Autoplay next video. So just go over and tap on it and you can turn it off, and that should do it. Turning it off will save the data and battery, and it works separately for each of the device. So make sure you are logged into keep the settings saved. And that's it. That's how we turn off autoplay on YouTube. It is very simple but super useful. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more.